بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Hey guys, and welcome back to another video of Sparkplug. So in this video tutorial I will be showing you how to make a variable fillet in Fusion 360. So without wasting any time, let's just start by making a cuboid. Let's say so. Let's make a rectangle here and extrude it up to a certain distance. Again, this is not anything is, and press shift and N to enable color toggle. And if you just go to fillet, there is a option called radius type. So the third option is variable result. Then it will ask you about the edges. Suppose that I chose this edge as well as this edge, or just me just yeah. So let's start by selecting this edge. So as you guys have already noticed that this represents two arrows. Each of them represents the radius at their respective end. For example, suppose that if I just move this, the radius on this point increases to 20, but radius on this point remains 0, as you guys can see here. Suppose that if I just increase the radius on this point also, this is how you control the variable fillet in Fusion 360. Now again, if you want another point on this point anywhere, just click on the plus icon and any want you click on the any place where you want your radius to be smaller. For example, I have clicked this point and I can now control the radius at this very point. Similarly, you can create infinite number of uh, points like this you want to, and this will respectively will affect your design. So hope you guys will enjoy the video, and do comment any queries and suggestions for my upcoming videos, and don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you and have a nice day.